proud na ibinahagi ni Sharon Cuneta sa Instagram nitong Martes, March 5, 2025, ang mga regalong ipinadala ng kanyang panganay na anak na si Casey Concepcion. Kabilang narito ang hikaw at kwintas na gawa ng Avec Moi Jewelry. Bawat isang regalo niya sa ina ay may handwritten message si Casey. Dedication niya para sa hikaw. Dearest Mom, watching you bloom in every season has been such a gift. You inspire me with your willpower, dedication and lust for all things beautiful in life. These freshly picked roses, in 18K yellow gold, large size, with natural diamond rosebuds, are a crowd favorite from my brand Mama, but I thought to gift you a pair to remind you of how deeply cherished you are. I love you always. Christina. Sharon Cuneta on Casey Concepcion, more beautiful though, are her words. Sa regalo namang kwintas ni Casey, makikita rito ang inisyal ng pangalan ni Sharon na S. Mensahe ni Casey sa sulat, Dearest Mom. Your love is the signature that marks my life in the most precious way. This fine jewelry piece carries your writing, and I couldn't help but encrust it with natural diamonds at a pink sapphire heart. I've matched it with an 18K yellow gold gauge wire paperclip chain, which you can replace with any chain you'd want. Made especially for you, made to last forever. I love you always. Christina. Caption ni Sharon sa post, maganda raw ang mga regalo na ipinadala ng anak. Pero mas maganda raw ang mga kaakibat nitong mga salita sa sulat. Saad ng megastar, baby #1, my eldest at Christina Concepcion just sent me these. And they are beautiful. More beautiful though, are her words. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, too. I love you, at Avec Moi Jewelry. Sa comment section, sinabi naman ni Casey na kinilig siya sa mensahe ng ina. Aniya, I'm super kilig, crying with tears, flowers emojis. Sagot ni Sharon, at Christina Concepcion hahaha you're cute too. Love you, heart emoji. Masasabing na ibalik na nga sa dati ang relasyon ng mag-ina matapos nilang plansyahin ang hindi nila pagkakaintindihan nitong mga nakaraang taon.